Last time we videoed, I stopped with the sign grab or grab. Today, we're ready for the sign get up. Next, the sign for jump. Next, the sign for get better or to improve. Next, the sign for get worse. Next, the sign for important. Next, the sign for to spot or to see or to notice. Next, the sign for sure. Next, the sign for directions. F hands. It also means to describe or explain. Next, the sign for wait or waiting. You can also use the hold on signal, kind of holds your spot. Okay, let's do those again. All right, and at the bottom of your paper are some key phrases. You should be able to put your simple signs together to be able to do those. For example, the first one, don't do that. The next one, explain again. And the last one means what?